In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send invoice on PayPal Mobile. Let's begin. So once you open up PayPal, you'll go to the bottom right and then select the option which says Request. After selecting Request, go to the top and select the option which says Send an invoice to get paid. From there, go to the top again, and next to Bill to, you're going to select it, and you'll enter the email address of that person that you want to send the invoice to. If you head over to the right side, it's going to say USD on default. But you can also change the currency by just selecting it and then choosing another currency. But I'm going to use US dollars. From there, go to Add Item or Service. By simply selecting it, you're going to type in the name of the item or service that you are selling. Then you can also choose the amount. Afterwards, select Add. And then you can also add a note to the customer. Once everything is good, go to the bottom and select Send. Then it'll tell you that the invoice has been sent. So I've went to my Gmail, and as you can see, the invoice has been sent. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.